What's up, my boys? Today is a very exciting day because today we are surprising Jon's parents.
We went on a whale watching trip the other day with Rota dos Cetáceos. And they also offer a yacht cruise, private yacht cruise. And they have offered us to come along on a beautiful day on the ocean. And we figured we wanted to make it a surprise for the old folks. So now we are going to say, are you ready for the surprise? And then have them guessing a little bit.
Har I nogen bud på, hvad vi skal?
Nej.
Nej?
Nej.
Ingen bud?
Det havde vi tidligere, men det har vi ikke mere.
Hvad var det? Hvad troede I, det var?
Jamen, vi troede, at de skulle giftes, eller...
Ja, okay.
Eller det, der var mere hot.
Skal ud og hike, far.
Nej, det skal vi ikke.
Skal vi ud og flyve?
Ud at flyve?
Ja. Jeg tror, vi skal ud og flyve helikopter.
Helikopter?
Ja.
Hvor skal vi flyve hen så?
Ja, det ved jeg ikke. Flyve ud og sejle. Og der ligger skib dernede. Kan I se det store der?
Containerskibet dernede.
Det skulle vi så ikke.
Så er vi væk fra...
Det er også, at vi skal se det hus, de har købt hernede, Lise.
Jeg tør.
Har I købt en båd her?
Hey Pedro.
How are you? Good day.
Good to meet you.
Oh, Liz.
Welcome to Madeira.
They still don't know what we're doing today.
Okay, it's just filming. Just filming.
I feel suddenly insecure.
Insecure? No.
Yes. Are we
Madeira, it's.
bungee jump or...
I think it's airplane. We're gonna jump from with the parachutes. It's nothing special.
Har du søsypiller med?
Nej, det har jeg ikke.
Det skal du sgu nok, fordi det er den derovre.
Gud, bliver forskrækket. Ja, hvad så?
Glæder du dig til, at vi skal ud og sejle?
Ja, jeg er lidt spændt på, hvad det er for en båd.
Ja, men
Jeg
altså...
håber altså, at der er space.
Nu skal du ikke være så, du stiller alle de krav allerede fra morgenstunden af.
Selvfølgelig skal jeg det.
Det er den der.
Skal vi ud i det?
En gul der.
Min far er hjertepatient. Du var ikke skuffet over det? Nej, jeg er helt bange. Are you ready for the yellow boat? No. Holy,
No.
gjorde I ikke? Puh, ja.
Hold kæft for en nemme, mand.
Puh, ja.
Okay.
Der tog I sgu lige rum.
Okay, der tog jeg røven på os.
Jeg troede, vi skulle ud på en gummibåd.
Ja. I kender jo niveauet.
Hold kæft.
Ej, now you talk.
Welcome to the boat life.
Oh, that's a nice boat. We thought it was the yellow one.
It's beautiful.
What an amazing boat, huh?
Yeah.
Is there space enough here?
Yes, because I suppose it's only Dad and I.
Yeah. This is the master suite.
Yeah, that's my
Definitely.
suite. It's the boss one. The guy who paid the bills.
The guy who paid the bills, yeah.
When my mom is here, she will be the boss. That's how it is.
Wherever I am.
It feels so good to be the one surprising with a yacht trip because last time we were surprised by our friends.
Are you kidding me?
Leave your shoes in the basket, please. Thank you.
Are you kidding me? Stop swearing, Mokriad.
For one time's sake, it's a joy to have children.
Today, Pedro is actually taking us to new territories where Jon and I haven't been before. Apparently here in the island, you are so fortunate that if it is bad weather conditions of one side of the island, you can always go to the opposite side of the island to find beautiful conditions. So today it's quite windy and the sea is quite shaky, but usually this is where you stop and you can just dive down because it's not very steep here. It's not even as cold as it is on the mainland. It feels much warmer.
Well,
So-
we will get in eventually.
Yeah, sometimes today I am definitely jumping in.
So we're sailing around São Lourenço here, and now we're going to see the oldest lighthouse on Madeira. And I mean, this is pretty spectacular if you ask me. Go on.
What's not to like?
What's not to love? Are you comfy, Mom?
Yes, a little.
You
Yes.
want some wine?
Yes, please.
Good.
Good.
The good life.
This is the good life. How lucky are we to be a part of this tour, huh?
And it is free.
Yes. So on this amazing tour that we are also accompanied with Lena from 100% Sushi. She has a catering and a little restaurant in Funchal where she sells sushi. She started this business 5 years ago and she's gonna spoil our palate today.
Det er med et fedt arrangement,
Ja.
I lavede herovre.
We are okay. Yeah,
Vi er ikke en
please,
skid sure.
Are we ready for 100%?
Going to help you.
Is it spicy?
A little bit, but not too much.
Okay guys, what do we say to this little feast?
Namaste. No.
Namaste.
Is that all?
I love your hat, Mom.
Jeg ved ikke, hvad fanden du ligner. Vil du så?
I like how she spiced this tuna up with a bit of cheese. Very Madeira style, huh? Mm.
How's it going, Per?
Not good.
He's doing.
Ja.
Hvad?
Sækken blevet skarpt
Jamen,
til
det
det
der.
der, hva'?
Ja. Jeg tror, de sådan har teknikken, så går det.
Ja. Du er karate kid.
Så er han jo bange for at gå sutten på bordet, så det skulle bare være.
Are there any sharks here, Pedro?
No. The sharks are in the government.
You are the only shark here.
I am a shark.
Go get them.
Okay. Ah!
Oh my god, the water is so clear.
One thing I've learned on this trip here to Madeira is that it doesn't have to be May to enjoy the summer weather. I mean, we are in early February And it feels like proper summer.
Yeah.
Should we just take a moment to appreciate life?
Yeah. I feel like I've been appreciating life ever since we stepped on that boat. It's like so amazing.
This is where you should practice gratuity in the present moment. You know, it's like in Office when Andy Bernard, he says,
I wish there was a way to know you're in the good old days before you've actually left them.
I'll write that down. We're leaving this behind.
Men det havde været meget hyggeligt med en lille tæppe, men ikke
We're going fast. Amalia, how fast are you going?
I have no idea, it doesn't say anywhere.
Are we testing the top speed?
Now we go.
We should have had the drone up for this.
Hey, hey, hello.
Did you enjoy it?
I enjoyed it so much. It was really an experience and one I haven't had before.
Really? Yeah. You've lived such a poor life that you haven't been on a boat. You enjoy it, mother?
Yes, the best experience today.
Thanks so much for sushi.
You're welcome. Delicious sushi.
Yeah.
If you want to try the sushi that we had today, you can find the link below. 100% sushi.
Thank you 100 million times, Pedro.
You're welcome.
It
It was a pleasure. She's a good captain too.
One day, un día.
Yeah.
I'd love to see you again in Madeira.
Oh my god, we will.
Rota dos
Cetáceos.
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 We've been saying it wrong all along.
We have been saying it wrong.
Thank you so much for the lift.
You're welcome. I'm gonna pick up my kids.
Yeah.
Bye.
Your kids.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers.
Cheers.
And thank you for a very nice day. Good experience.
Fantastic.
Was it better than a baby?
Well,
Much better. Much better.
So we're gonna finish it off here at Madeira.
For helvede, konen, kan du da ikke.
You drive too fast. You speak too high.
Yeah.
It's that's my youngest son.
I'm so sad to say goodbye to you, mother.
Yeah, and now Dad and we have it for ourselves. now.
Yeah. We're leaving them tomorrow and we're leaving Madeira. See you, guys, and thank you again, Pedro, for taking us on this trip.
A wonderful experience, both to the trip, the food, the people.
You have said
We
that
loved it.
twice now.
Jamen, så kan de jo edit det.
If you want to tag along with any of the people we have been with today, you can find links in the description. You can also go follow us on Instagram to get in touch with them. With that said, até logo.
Até Lego.
Ciao.
Até Lego.
Hi.